Hi, in this lesson let's evaluate some more expressions. Let's do part of example 1. In this there are brackets, exponents, multiplications, additions and subtractions. After doing the operations inside the brackets we get 4 to the power 3 minus 3 into 2 squared over 4 minus 4 minus 3. Now do the exponents. We get 64 minus 3 into 4 over minus 3. Now do the multiplications. We get 64 minus 12 over minus 3. Then subtraction. The answer is minus 52 by 3. Then the part B. In this we get brackets, exponents, multiplications, divisions, additions and subtractions. Evaluate this according to BEDMAS. First the brackets. This is equal to minus 3 into minus 4 squared plus 3 over 4 squared divided by 2 plus 3. Next do the exponents. Then we get minus 3 into 16 plus 3 over 16 divided by 2 plus 3. Next the multiplications and divisions. Then we get minus 48 plus 3 over 8 plus 3. Then the answer is minus 45 by 11. Next the part C. First calculate what is inside the brackets. In the numerator we get 4 to the power 0. Any number to the power 0 equals 1, so 4 to the power 0 equals 1. In the numerator we get 4 divided by minus 2. And in the denominator we get minus 3 into 4 minus 15. Now to the multiplication and division. We get minus 2 over minus 12 minus 15. The answer is 2 by 27. Let's do part D. In this there are brackets, exponents, multiplications, divisions, additions and subtractions. Let's start with operations inside the brackets. After the operation we get 4 squared minus 8 divided by 4 plus 9 over 3 to the power 4 minus 10 squared. Next calculate the exponents. Then we get 16 minus 8 divided by 4 plus 9 over 81 minus 100. Next we do the division. Then we get 16 minus 2 plus 9 over 81 minus 100. Next addition and subtraction. The answer is minus 23 by 19. Next the part E. In this we get exponents, multiplications and subtractions. First evaluate exponents. Then we get minus 27 into square root of 49 in the numerator and square root of 16 minus 15 in the denominator. By further simplifying, we get minus 27 into 7 by 4 minus 15. Answer is 189 by 11. Let's do part F. This contains brackets, exponents, multiplications, and subtractions. First, calculate what is inside the brackets. In this expression, we get 2 to the power 0 in the denominator. As anything to the power 0 is equal to 1, 2 to the power 0 equals to 1. After the operation, we get 3 into minus 8 in the numerator and 64 minus 1 in the denominator of the expression inside the bracket multiplied by minus 3 to the power minus 2. This is equal to minus 24 by 63 into 1 over minus 3 to the power 2. Next we get minus 24 by 63 into 1 over 9. This is equal to minus 8 by 189. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe.